welcome to my channel. Now in this video, how to import human body in NX. I'll explain about this. Now we have here we have one item, one equipment here. Now I want to import one human body in this location. Now go to search bar here, just type like this human, enter. Next select, just click on here human. Now you'll get one window like this. After that select database like Chinese person or Japanese person and Korean person, like this. Select your requirement person like that. Now for example I'll select Korean person. Okay, and next select gender, male or female. Select your requirement gender. After that structure like this, just okay, don't select your requirement approximate value, that is 50%. Okay, now you'll get one person like this, one human body like this. After that, if you want to move your requirement position, use Ctrl T for move, Ctrl T, and select human body and move your requirement location like this. Like now here we have one human body item. Okay, then next if you want to change position of human body, just double click here, and after that and change your requirement positions here by edit human body option. Now here we have modify human, already you know, like this. If in case you want to change modify, like this, go to here. Now if you want to adjust arm, now here we have number of options. Now if you want to select your requirement requirement position, just directly go to human procedure library. This is, now here we have some walking styles here. Now select this like this. Okay, after that here we have number of different positions here. Carry load, just double click here. Now here this human body is now the style is carrying load, like style climb ladder. If in case a person working on ladder, select this like this. Okay, so dancing, now driving style, like that. Okay, like this. For example, this person I want to import at a driving position, just select this like that. Okay, after that, if in case you want to reset again, just click here reset position like this. If in case your person if you want to see in particular location, and use this option kinematics, inverse kinematics, and specify the your requirement location. Now this person is standard here. I want to see on particular location position, I want to see here. Okay, so just move this position in Z direction like this. Now this person exactly seeing in this location. Okay, like that. If you want to adjust like this, like, and if you want to adjust not only head, if in case if you want to adjust left hand or right hand, like this. Left eye, right eye. Now select your requirement locations. Okay, is like walking style. Okay, next if you want to adjust particular hand location, like that, just adjust arm option and select your requirement arm location. Okay, for example I want to adjust here, select this arm, after that adjust like this. Okay, Now always suggest buying these options. Okay, thanks for watch. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. For more many videos, please subscribe. Thank you.